Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and this week we are planning the week of October 21st through October 27th, the week before Halloween. So this is going to be my last fall kit for the month of October. Next week will be a Halloween kit, and then we'll go back to some fall designs after that. But I'm really excited to use this kit from LexieKylee Designs, and with that, let's go ahead and get started. So the kit that I have here for this week is called Sweater Weather by LexieKylee Designs, and although it's technically not sweater weather here in Orlando right now, I think there is supposed to be 1 or 2 days this week where it's gonna drop into 60s, not low 60s or anything like that, but it's gonna get a little bit cooler, which I'm really looking forward to. So I plan to use this kit this week for this week's plan with me. So to start with, we've got 2 options for date covers, some little decorative stickers here, some headers, meal planning stickers, and then her like washi stickers that come event sized stickers, weekend banner, a bunch of different decorative and icon stickers, some handwritten, hand-lettered stickers, checklists, some more functional stickers here, some page flags or flags, this little like washi banner, which I think is really cute, and then over here we've got all the full boxes. So this is most of the kit. I don't think it's all. I think I got pages 1, 2, and just 5. So 3 and 4 I opted not to get, which is an option for her shop. She does offer kits a la carte, which is really nice. So with that, let's go ahead and figure out which date covers I want to do. I think I'm going to do the pink ones just because they're a little bit more my style, and then if I have stickers left over, I obviously still have the option to use those date covers, but for now we're going to start with the pink ones, so I'm going to go ahead and put those down. Okay, so date covers are down, and now I'm going to go ahead and put the days of the week in. Okay, so hold on one second. Okay, sorry everyone, my dog was barking, so I had to go make sure that whatever he was barking at was taken care of, because he gets pretty loud, and even though I have a microphone and I'm in my bedroom, which is not next to where he's at right now, he can still get picked up. So anyway, that's done and over with. So the first thing I'll do, I think, is do a meal plan for the week, because there actually isn't very much going on in my life this week, if you can believe it. That almost never happens, but believe it or not, it's actually a slower week for me. It's not to say I don't have stuff going on, but it's not usually this quiet, and I'm grateful for that. Okay, so now that those are down, I am going to grab my EC on the Go folio. I got it in the mauve color, and I have this little charm that I kind of stuck on the end here. It has my initial C, and right now I only have 2 books in. I have my last quarter of the year daily petite, or not daily, yeah, it's daily petite planner that I have in here, and also the meal planner, because I use both of these pretty religiously. I haven't really delved into the other petite planners and journals and notebooks that she has yet, but these 2 I love, so I have them together, and I really love having a folio because I would keep both of them in my purse separately, and now I can keep them all together, which I really like. I did get it embossed in rose gold with my initials, CV, and I'm really loving it. So let me flip to our meal plan for this week. And I do plan at some point to do a video on how I use the Daily Petite Planner along with my EC Planner. So if you're interested in that, please leave me a comment and let me know. So I know other people want to watch it. I thought about doing it just because I see comments a lot in Erin Condren Facebook groups like, I want the Petite Planner, but I have an hourly or vertical or horizontal. How do you make those, you know, things work? Or vice versa, I've got a Petite Planner and I'm thinking about getting a Life Planner. How do you make those two like work in sync together? So I want to do a video for that, and if you're interested, please let me know in the comments. Okay, I can put this away. So meal plan is down. My next order of business is to cover this part up here. So you might have been like, oh wow, she just pulled that off automatically. Normally I kind of like think about what I want to put here color wise, but I felt really drawn to the sticker as soon as I saw it, so I was like, that one's going there. And I obviously still have so many more options that I'll kind of scatter through the rest of the spread, but for whatever reason that sticker, maybe because it's a planner and it's just really cute and my kind of style, I felt like that one needed to be there. Okie dokie, so Monday, do I have anything going on? I don't think I do. So I think that's gonna be a Coffee Monday. Hold on one second. I actually have my son in the room and I'm trying to make sure he's quiet so he doesn't bother my husband who's trying to study and get ready for a midterm that he has. So I might have to pop back in and out during this plan with me. Give me 1 second. Okay, sorry, he wanted to eat, and then when I told him that he would have to stay in the kitchen because I couldn't deal with the constant interruptions, he changed his mind, so. I'm just checking to see if she has any like TV stickers, but I don't think she does, or she may, I just may not have purchased it. I really love her sticker paper. It's very, it's not vinyl, but it's not matte. It's kind of like buttery. It's that unicorn paper that I think so many of us love. And my Sharpie pens just write beautifully on them. So I really, really highly recommend her shop. Her stickers are really nice quality. Anything else on Tuesday? No. So moving on to Thursday, we have Write Night, which I haven't been to in a while because the last one I was planning on going to got bumped because of Hurricane Dorian, and then the weeks got switched. They had been alternating with our Tuesday night admin calls for SSP, and then it started happening where after the hurricane they got on to being the same week as those calls, and I just couldn't have 2 long evening commitments a week in the same week. So yeah, it's Write Night. General admission ticket sales continue, or actually start, really not continue, on Friday night for SSP. That's at 8. And then I do have something on Saturday. Starts at 12, I think. Well, I'm saying that I have something on Saturday. I haven't actually talked to my husband about it yet, so hopefully he's cool with me going. But Whitney, one of my close friends, got an extra ticket to this month's Orlando Bloggers meetup, so I'm planning on going to that, but I haven't actually mentioned it to him yet, which I kind of need to do. Alright, so those are my biggest things for the week. It's time to put some stickers in here. Okay, full boxes are down. She does already have one of these like top three kind of checklist boxes, and the last 2 planned with me is I've included like a little habit tracker for myself. making sure that I keep up with my different responsibilities, so I'm gonna put that back. Checklist wise, let's see what my options are. I probably should have moved that down so I could put that weekend sticker, but whatever. So you'll notice I kind of did things differently this week. I have plans on Saturday, so I'm not really going to expect that the normal Saturday errands and tasks that I would do are probably going to get done that day. They're probably going to have to move to Sunday. And the checklists box that I'm using and the checklist stickers and stuff are a little bit different than what I normally use. But one thing to keep in mind, and we all know this, is every shop owner approaches things differently. So the checklists that I have for this kit are a little bit different than the normal checklists that I end up with in kits. And so you need to be able to adapt your style to whatever tools you have basically in the kit. So I still have the checklist, it's just not a checklist full box, which she might have had in this kit, but for whatever reason I just didn't feel like I needed a whole sheet of them at the time that I purchased them. So just that's my advice to planners, is keep your same style, just be thinking about what that shop owner has for you in this kit that you can still make work for you in your weekly planning. So I just added this little banner because that white space was bothering me for some reason, even though usually that doesn't. So I wanted to put that there. I'm going to be doing some slow cooker chili, especially since I'm going to be away from my husband and son on Thursday night at Right Night. I want that to be a meal that will already be ready for them when they come home from school, and then the next day I always make enough for leftovers. The next day we have ticket sales opening back up again for general admission for SSP, so the last thing I want to do is be worried about trying to cook dinner as soon as I get home from work, so they can just have leftovers. Kind of messed that up, but whatever, don't care. Not going to be worried about that. Alright, so I think I've got everything major that I need to remember to do. So I need to think about what I'm going to do with the washi situation here, because I pulled these two and the pink is pretty and it matches super well, and it's got this like interesting, almost like a copper foil. I think it might be copper, but I feel like that's too similar there, and I don't think I have 5mm orange, but let me double check really quick. Haha, JK, I actually do have orange. So then I'll do orange here. And then, do I want to do pink down here? I don't know if I do. I didn't get enough of her sheets to do like her washi across, so I need to think about this for a hot second. Okay, so I'm actually okay with that because I feel like this washi kind of mirrors the date covers up here, and then this kind of mirrors that. So it's a little bit more orange than I normally would like. I'm really not super huge into orange. It's not one of my favorite colors, but I do think this looks nice and it is very fall. The only thing that I wish was a little bit different is that there's kind of like this wood pattern. I wish I had more of that in this spread. I think there probably could have afforded to be more in it, but maybe I just didn't buy enough sheets with that particular part of that design in it. And that said, I am really happy with this spread and I think it looks nice. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments for me, and then also please let me know if you'd be interested in that video featuring how I use my folio, my on-the-go folio with my planner, because I think I'd like to work on that for just general knowledge and purpose for people who aren't sure if they need both, how both would work together, etc. That is it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't a subscriber already, please consider subscribing. To my longtime subscribers, thank you so much for coming back every single week and watching these videos. It helps motivate me and gives me a reason to keep going every single week. I'll be back next Tuesday with yet another plan with me, and with that, I hope you have an excellent week.